Full powers. Full powers means a document emanating from the competent authority of a state designating a person or persons to represent the state for negotiating, adopting, authenticating the text of a treaty, expressing the consent of a state to be bound by a treaty, or for accomplishing any other act with respect to that treaty. Heads of state, heads of government and ministers for foreign affairs are considered as representing their state for the purpose of all acts relating to the conclusion of a treaty, and do not need to present full powers. Heads of diplomatic missions do not need to present full powers for the purpose of adopting the text of a treaty between the accrediting state and the state to which they are accredited. Likewise, representatives accredited by states to an international conference, or to an international organization, or one of its organs, do not need to present full powers for the purpose of adopting the text of a treaty in that conference, organization, or organ.